Bahamas, a baby. You see what's going on?
Pop it right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the mood. Serotonin, that's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mixing with the loose. Used to let her feeling like a zoo type mix. Shot, stripping, taking shrooms. Eating all the perks on some food type shit.
We are headed to the airport. It is 6:50 something. I got a Uber block, but I will see you guys when we get to the airport.
Where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming up.
You made it on the chat, y'all. Part 2. Welcome, Christina.
In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap.
Nice and
You're
good.
the best.
Yeah.
Yee, clean, clean.
Nice, cool, refreshing.
Yeah. So this is Bohemian in here. Cheers. It tastes like Corona. It tastes like Corona? This the best kind?
I think it's better than Corona.
Thank you so much. I'm not a beer girl. Cheers. It was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Look at the view.
Fucking nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big temple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Derek Focus in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the 8. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucking chase gang time bounce. Gotta count 'em.
This is the best hotel already. Thank you. Cheers.
Where we at? We outside.
We're outside. This is a little something.
It's probably a hangover kit for your ass.
Thanks. Why did she give us a gift when it's her birthday?
Thanks for coming with me, you guys.
You're welcome. It is a hangover kit, bro. I'm smart. Ooh, I know who's gonna need it the most. It is a hangover kit. That's lit. Thank you. Oh, this is cute.
Thanks, Chris.
We got this from Fish Fry, and we're at the pool.
Gang time bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas snitching, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga dripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound it. Then I'm out. Man, I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist. House. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures with the gold till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me. Ross got it.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it.
Y'all a weak if up.
Try it,
This is my second plate, y'all. Kamala got a nice looking salad. Krystle's almost demolished her second plate by now.
What's your third?
Well, at least it's all healthy food. This is my third plate. I don't know what to put this in. I think this is an apple crumble cake. Meat tart, red velvet cake. I forgot what this was called.
They got money.
Okay, so this is what I'm eating for the first time today. We have vegetable soup and then I have fruits. Krystle has vegetable soup too. Look at our view though. Like,
I did, but it was taking too long.
okay, y'all. This is a green tea shot. Cheers.
This is our first shot.
looks like we're gonna be drinking a lot. I don't like that. I don't like that. 0 out of 10. Okay, this is my second plate. I got rice and curry chicken. I got a salad and I got some vegetables. Cheers. First tequila shot since we've been here. Ooh, hot liquor. Yeah. Ooh, that's nasty. I'm all about to die. All right, we're finally having a beach day. Cheers. What's going to have in this thing?
That's why cheers. Which one I like?
That seagull was a paid actor. Right there.
You don't see the seagull.
It's over there. Cheers.
Oh,
Yeah, he gonna attack. Don't do that shit.
why would I?
Thank you.
Problem. I made it myself. Cheers.
About to chug our drinks. Mine is pretty much full. Krystle's is less, and then damn, Milo's gonna beat us. Okay, ready, set, go.
I can't. That's so rough. Whoa. All done.
I lost, but it's all right. Hey, no cheeks are for sale.
I brought Scooby snacks, green apple.
Ooh. Get your ass up. Wait, which one's the best one? The pink one?
Dark green one is the sweetest one.
I hope you know you in the background looking dead and gone, bitch. Cheers. Cheers, y'all, for real.
You want to do this one?
This is our second shot. Cheers.
Do another one.
Cheers. That one good. Maybe we pour these drinks into these cups. They feel like shots. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, hey guys. So we're having dinner. This is the second night. We're at the buffet. It's kind of different food today, so.
This is my 6 and they're 8.
Okay, this is what I got so far. It's just stuffed chicken breast, rice, and chicken wings. And then I got cream of chicken soup. And then this is Mila's plate that she already dug into. And then as you can see, Krystle has demolished her first plate. And then this is her second.
It was just a salad. Don't do it.
Oh, it was just a salad. My bad, y'all. This is my second plate. At the casino, y'all. I'm not playing because y'all know me and the casino, we don't go well at all. I will not be participating. This is where we are.
It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on 7. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
So fucking winky winky. It's a tea party. It's tea, y'all. Hip hip hooray.
Wait, like you gotta put your piggy up facing us so we can see the pig.
Look at this drink, bro. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Morning, guys. So this is our second real day here. We're about to go swimming with the pigs. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my Look at the birthday girl. We're here, guys. Look how beautiful the water is. Oh my goodness. Go, go, go. Big bully. Oh my God, don't step in the key. Don't step in the key. Oh. No. No. No.
I can't breathe.
No means no. No. We need to hurry up and get rid of these foods. Thank you.
Try to make her feel comfortable as possible, guys. Like a baby. Like a...
All right, guys. Big beach is done. We're done. We're done.
We're done.
We have drinks for sale.
Yeah.
Hey! Woo! Don't drown. Don't drown up. Get it. Get it. Get it. Lower. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Goodness.
Happy birthday, I'm a friend. Wow, when I vibe, give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Hush, if I ever panic, baby, lock up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your boom boom, go down your feet. Do it, give you everything, whether in my wallet or in my pocket.
Hello? Yo. Channel, usually I think
Thank you. Thank you.
2 hours later.
We're at Cafe Martinique.
Hello.
Hello. We're at dinner. Dinner. This is a salad. This is anchovy. What is this?
I don't know.
What's this? Carpaccio. Oh.
Escargot. That looks burnt. This is a mahi.
My snapper.
Oh, that looks good.
We got burnt cauliflower. We got some. This is not a sports bar.
Happy birthday, Krystle.
That's pretty.
1 in a million.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Ooh, ooh.
Okay, I know.
I know. That's cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Krystle. Happy birthday to you.
The fact that we was first of all, what's it called? The calligraphy? Yeah.
Amazing.
The hearts.
Yeah, they made that cute. Yay! What is this?
It's like, oh yeah, this egg of custard egg. Oh yeah.
Oh. It's good?
That's good.
I ain't never had this before, so I want to try it. It's the egg souffle.
Yeah, it's an egg tart. Here.
But it's not very eggy.
Look how those egg tarts give you. You know? I can't move.
Y'all, so we tried to get a taxi. It's literally down the street though, right? And we know that it was gonna be like $15, and she was like, it's literally down the street. Like, she didn't give us the option to call a taxi. She said,
It's not safe for us to walk like this in the Americas. In the States.
I don't wanna walk. I wanna pay. I don't wanna walk. I wanna pay. Cheers. This is our hotel. This is our boat. We're on the boat. It's hot as shit on this motherfucker now. This is the food that they have. This shit look good as fuck. We got chicken, ribs, rice, mac and cheese.
Shots for her birthday!
Yeah.
do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Like it's dynamite. And I told you once. Now I told you it. With somebody who loves.
Oh, look, we can make it light up. For real. We have the club.
Why won't y'all get in with us?
We're on a boat. It started raining. It's supposed to do a sunset type of shit. But the weather is horrible. So you gotta make the best of it, right? But it's my sister's birthday.
Oh! Oh! Look at that, bitch. It's your birthday, bitch. It's your birthday. Go Meganese! So we're at Wendy's and it's a food truck. Like you order right here. It's a restaurant, but I don't think the restaurant is open. So they like cook the food in the food truck, which is interesting. Bagel, eggs, sausage, bacon, grits. It is the last day, guys. Say bye, Marla. Bye. Bye. Finally at the airport. I got a pizza. I got a pepperoni pizza. Pizza. Oh my god. Yes, yes, please. Mm-hmm. Mm. So good. We are finally home. Yay, I can be back in my bed. This is him. That's ours. Mwah. Toodles noodles. Until next time.